Hello everyone, we are going to look at figuring out how to check the weight of your designed part in this video. So we're going to need to use a new program, Makerbot Print. It looks like this with the white M on the black square. This is a program that comes with the 3D printers, and this is where all the print settings are for our 3D printers. So you're going to double click on that to open that up. Now, when you first open it up, it's going to have you log in. So we made a generic student account that you can use to log in. The password and username for that are in the Google Classroom. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is add a printer so you can see the print settings. So you're going to click down at the bottom right here, and then you're going to click on Add Printer. You won't have anything listed. Add Printer. You're going to add an unconnected printer right here. And we have a Replicator Plus. Okay, so when you click that, then this should show up here, and you'll be able to actually look at the print settings. All right, so this is the workspace. These are your print settings in the top right, your printer, which we already looked at, in the bottom right. On the left, we have your project panel. So this shows you what project you're working on, which models you're using, and then you have your normal menus in the top here. All right, so to add a new model, first thing is you should rename the project. So go to File, Save Project, and you're going to name this just something based off of whatever you're making. So you can call it Holiday Project or whatever you want to name it that makes sense to you. So I'm just going to say video example. Okay, so then you can save that, and that's going to save that file. Okay, and it'll look like this. It's a .print file. Once you have that saved, then you can add your actual model in. You can see the names here now. Now you can add the actual model in. So you click this, and you just need to navigate to your project folder. Okay, I'm just going to pick something random in here. But you need to go to Desktop, Your Name, Project Folder, and then find whatever part you're trying to load in. Okay. So the settings over here, you have settings to arrange. So this moves the part on the build plate. This will automatically arrange it. Next one down is orientate. So you want your bottom, obviously, to be touching the build plate. So I always use this, place face on build plate. So I want this part to be on the bottom. Okay, and that'll rotate that for you. And the last one is scale. So you can use this if your print uses too much material, you can scale it down so it doesn't use as much material. So to do that, I'm going to select the object I want to scale, and then I can put in the actual size, or I can do a percentage. So if I want it to be half as big, type 50, and that will scale it down. Okay, uniform scaling means that it'll keep the same proportions. So these are the same proportions as it was when it was bigger. Now it's just smaller. All right, so to check how much material your print is going to use, there's a button that looks like this with the clock on it. This will run an estimate of the print and give you an idea how much material it's going to use. So we'll wait a second for this here. Okay, so you can see kind of what it's going to look like, and then over here, this will tell you it's going to use 14 grams to make this print. Okay, so about 14 grams. Now, you can change that number by changing the settings. And I'll have another video that goes over all the print settings inside Makerbot that you can watch and see how to manipulate and change the print settings.